Getting a package file update or window dependency error when opening a text file on Windows. Don't reinstall anything. I will fix this error in under a minute. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem.
First of all, click on Start button. Next from here, click on Setting to open the setting windows. Once the setting is open, click on Apps. After that, select Install Apps. Now in the search bar, type Notepad to find it quickly. When Notepad appears, click on three dots next to it and choose Advanced option. Scroll down and here you will see the Repair button. Click on Repair. This will automatically patch the package failed update or dependency validation error. Once the repair process is complete, also click on Reset button just to make sure everything is refreshed properly. Now go back and open your text file again. You will see that the error is fixed and the file opened without any problem.
If this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy window fixes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.